Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Hidizs Mermaid MM2, a customizable IEM that stands out due to its unique driver configuration. It combines a 6mm Magneto-Static Balanced Membrane with a 10.2mm dynamic driver. What makes the MM2 even more interesting is the inclusion of 3 tuning valves, which allow you to customize the sound according to your preferences. I'm super curious to find out how they sound, so let's get these unboxed and explore this unique hybrid IEM in more detail. Hong Kong-based Hidizs Technology was founded in 2009 and is a tech company that specializes in portable audio equipment, such as digital audio players, DA converters and in-ear monitors. In addition to the IEMs themselves, the Hidizs MM2 package includes several noteworthy accessories. First and foremost, you'll find a 2-pin quad-core oxygen-free cable. This cable not only appears to be of good quality, but is also fitted with some exceptional connectors. Moreover, Hidizs has thoughtfully included a very nice carry case in the package. This case serves as a protective and convenient storage solution for your MM2 IEMs when you're on the go, safeguarding them from potential damage. To ensure a comfortable and personalized fit, the MM2 comes with a total of 6 pairs of silicone tips. These tips come in different sizes, allowing you to choose the ones that provide the best feel and fit for your ears. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of the MM2 is the inclusion of 3 sets of tuning valves. Each set features a distinct color: red, silver and golden. These valves play a crucial role in customizing the sound signature according to your preferences. The red tuning valves are designed to enhance the bass, adding richness and impact to the low frequencies. On the other hand, the silver valves focus on the highs and are supposed to enhance clarity and detail to the treble region. Lastly, the golden valves aim to provide a balanced sound signature by striking a harmonious blend between the bass, mids and highs. The Hidizs MM2 showcases an eye-catching design with its see-through resin body, allowing you to catch a glimpse of the drivers inside. The faceplate of the MM2 features a distinct lozenge style, contributing to its overall aesthetics. One of the big advantages of the Hidizs MM2 is the low impedance rating of 18 ohm and the high sensitivity of 104 dB. These specifications make the MM2 an easy-to-drive in-ear monitor compatible with a wide variety of audio sources. Whether you're using a smartphone, a portable music player or a dedicated DAC/amp setup, the MM2 can efficiently work with them, delivering a satisfying audio experience. The Hidizs MM2 pays careful attention to comfort and fit. Each earpiece of the MM2 weighs approximately 5 grams, making them lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended listening sessions. The resin body of the MM2 is thoughtfully molded to follow the natural shape of the ear. This ergonomic design not only enhances comfort, but also contributes to effective noise isolation. In my personal experience, the included medium-sized tips have proven to be a comfortable and secure fit. However, individual ear shapes and sizes may vary, so it's always advisable to try different tips to find the best fit for your own ears. The Hidizs MM2 comes with a 120 cm long cable, equipped with standard 0.78mm 2-pin connectors. The cable itself is a quad-core design, consisting of 2 high-purity silver wires and 2 oxygen-free copper wires. The twisted pattern serves the practical purpose of reducing tangling compared to traditional braided cables. To ensure a reliable and corrosion-resistant connection, the cable is terminated with a 3.5mm gold-plated plug. In general, the Hidizs Mermaid MM2 offers a balanced and detailed sound signature, and no particular frequency range overwhelms the others. The soundstage is reasonably spacious and the MM2 offers a good sense of width and depth, with a clear instrument separation and imaging. The lower frequencies have a notable presence, delivering a satisfying impact to the overall sound, and the bass response is well managed, ensuring it doesn't overpower the other frequency ranges and maintains a sense of control. In terms of the mid-range, it may not appear as prominent as the lower layers. However, the MM2 handles the mid-range frequencies cleanly and spaciously. Instruments and vocals are presented with clarity and accuracy, and each element is well separated and easily discernible within the overall soundstage. The treble reproduction is characterized by a sense of energy and liveliness, without deviating from the intended target, avoiding any significant drops or excessive emphasis that could lead to harshness or sharpness in the sound. Overall, the Hidizs Mermaid MM2 showcases a successful coordination across its entire frequency range, without any recognizable weaknesses. The balanced tonal representation, controlled bass, clean mid-range and lively treble combine to create a cohesive and enjoyable sound signature. Although my findings are primarily based on the stock configuration with the golden valves, I did play around with the other valves to see how they affect the sound. And let me tell you, it's quite interesting. When I tried out the red valve, I noticed a slight change in the sound signature. The bass received a little boost, resulting in a fuller mid-bass response, as if the low end came alive with more impact and depth. However, this adjustment also resulted in somewhat recessed highs, creating an overall darker sound. So it's a bit of a trade-off, as the emphasis on the bass goes at the expense of the treble. The silver valves are a great option for those who prefer a brighter sound signature. When I swapped out the red valve for the silver one, I immediately noticed the difference. The soundstage expanded and there was improved energy in the top end frequencies. The treble became more prominent and sparkly, adding a sense of liveliness and detail to the overall sound. So the silver valves provide a wonderful option for those seeking a brighter sound. It opens up the soundstage and enhances the presence of the treble, delivering a more lively and energetic listening experience. Ultimately, the choice between the valves comes down to your personal taste and the kind of sound signature you enjoy. But it's nice to have the flexibility to customize your listening experience. One of my personal favorites in the sub $100 price range is the Shanling ME80. Unlike the MM2, the ME80 does not come with tuning valves, however it does come with differently tuned ear tips. However, I found that the difference in sound signature between the different ear tips is negligible. Despite the lack of proper tuning options, the ME80 still manages to provide a very pleasant listening experience. Additionally, the ME80 boasts excellent build quality, ensuring durability and longevity. When comparing the MM2 and the ME80, it's important to consider their respective strengths. The ME80 excels in delivering a transparent and engaging sound signature, prioritizing a high level of accuracy and detail. On the other hand, the MM2 offers the advantage of tuning options with its swappable valves, allowing you to customize the sound to better suit your preferences. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your personal preference for sound signature and design aesthetics. If you prioritize a transparent sound without the need for extensive tuning options, the ME80 might be the better option for you. However, if you value the ability to customize the sound to your liking, the MM2 with its tuning valves provides a great advantage. In conclusion, the Hidizs Mermaid MM2 stands out with its innovative design, excellent sound reproduction and the ability to fine-tune the sound signature. This combination of performance, innovation and customization sets it apart from its competitors and makes it an interesting choice for budget-minded audiophiles. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.